This is for discussion one. In the first part, you'll introduce yourself and then tell how you used data in real life. For example, I worked in retail and we would use sales data to determine what type of inventory to have and how many workers should be at different times of the day and different days of the week and around certain holidays. The scenario for the discussion, Susan, the principal, wants to ask students what movie they want to watch. She does not have time to ask all students in the school. How does she pick some of the students to ask? She will ask some of the students one question and one question only. Name a movie that you would like to see at movie night. That is the only question she is asking. First, we're going to discuss population versus sample. A population is everyone, everything in the group. For example, this would be all students in a high school for this example. The principal does not have time to ask all students in the school. She needs to take a sample. That means some of the students. Sampling means figuring out a way to ask some of the students, what movie do you want to watch, so that it accurately represents the entire student body. Would asking just the ninth grade girls accurately represent the rest of the school? Probably not. Asking just the football players to pick a movie probably wouldn't represent the entire school, something the whole school would enjoy. Some sampling types. Cluster. Split into groups. Ask all students from some of the groups. For example, split the school by grade. Ask just 9th and 12th graders. Okay, so that if she did this, she would ask all 9th graders and all 12th graders, what movie would you like to see? Stratified would be to split into groups, ask some students from all groups. For example, split the students into the grades, ask some students from 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th. She's asking some students from each grade. Still asking the one question, what movie do you want to see? Convenience. What's easy? Okay, maybe she goes to the cafeteria and asks all the students there, what movie do you want to see? Systematic. You pick a number, say 10. Go through the school roster and pick every 10th student on the list and ask, what movie do you want to see? Random has no pattern. Just go through the hall and randomly ask students to pick a movie. For your posts, pick one bad representation. That means it does not represent the entire school. Okay. Label it by what type of sampling: random, convenient, systematic, stratified, cluster. Pick one good one. This means pretty much the whole school might enjoy this. Okay, a bad one would be just one subgroup of the school would enjoy it. Okay, if you pick the movie Varsity Blues, that's about football. Okay, the whole football team would enjoy it, and other people would too, not necessarily everyone in the school. Okay, be sure to label your good one by sampling also. Remember, the principal is picking some of the students. She does not have time to ask all students. She's asking just one question, what movie would you like to see? And then the last part of it, describe how a sample relates to a population. Remember, sample means part of the whole, and population is the whole. Okay, so for this, the population is all the students in the school, and the sample would be part. And you'll also respond to 2 classmates, identify bias in the sample, and how that could be removed. Thank you.